Hey folks, this is Kenny. How y'all doing today? Or KVUSMC or Viralocity. Doing a video. We had a good little snow last night from that winter storm Iago, or how you want to pronounce it. And yeah, just showing you what the solar panels are doing. They're doing pretty good. The snow, you see in the background, the snow is starting to melt off of them. We should get 39 today. So that's going to be a pretty good day. So anyway, yeah, I'm going to show you all a video. Alright, here we go. Alright. But here's what we got. So far. There we go. Alright, now the solar panels are, the sun's starting to pop up, as y'all can see, coming from the east. And yeah, it's looking good. Looking good. And these will be melted off pretty good. I got some of the panels exposed. The lower ones. Once the sun starts hitting those, the snow will fall right off. But that's real icy crust at the bottom, so that's not a whole lot I can do as far as getting the snow off. So I'm just gonna let nature take its course. Let the sun do it. But yeah, I just want to do a quick little video. We don't get too much snow around here. When we do, it's exciting. Everybody loves it. But up there, that snow's coming off pretty good. No wind right now. The wind's supposed to pick up later on. Yeah, but it's getting there. And the solar panel on the Davis Vantage View, everything's starting to thaw out on that. Yeah, so just wanted to show you what's going on. But panels back here don't have any snow on. They're good in the wintertime. These back panels that are upright on the wall on the side of the shop, they do a real good job. Help make power. Every little bit helps. There's some solar air here. She's fogged up. Yeah, she's fogged up pretty good. Alright. Let's go inside the shop and I'll show you what's going on in there. Yeah, it hadn't been hey! Look, there's the wife and the kids. I know. There's my wife, my little girl. Yeah. That's her coming out in the snow to get ride her little sleigh.
Just enough to keep us home.
Yeah. Yeah, honey. The camera might fog up here in a minute. But here's what we got going. Making 40 watts right now. They're all covered up with snow. And here, this is other up back. These are the ones that are flat. I'm still sleeping because there's snow all over it. But oh well. And power production, we got about 40 watts. Put down about 40 watts. But it's doing good. Doing really good. Well, I just want to give you all a little update what was going on. Alright, folks. This is Hey, Kinsley! This is KVS. Alright, well, I gotta go, y'all. Hey, thanks for watching. This is KVUSMC or Viralocity. Y'all have a good one. Take care. Alright. Bye-bye.
Hey, come here.
I'm coming, honey.
Look at the snow.
Got the heater going.